All right, we're going to talk about how to make a spiral staircase. So first thing we need is sort of our reference circle. So we're doing the outside edge of those spiral staircases. And so we want the radius to be 2 feet 0 inches. Press OK, and we'll just put it page center. The next thing we want to do is we just want to divide our circle. Oops, I gotta turn my snaps on. Just so that we have a visual of how this stair set is going to be divided. You can see I'm just using that snap to angle on my 45s. So it's divided into 8 circles. So you can see that those are going to be the stairs. Up the center of a spiral staircase, we always have sort of a metal pipe. We want the diameter of that to be 6 inches. And we're going to just place that right there in the center. The next thing we want to do is we're going to just go ahead and draw out one individual stair tread. So the tread is what you step on. So I'm going to use this polyline tool where I can snap between my straight lines and my curved lines. I'm going to start just right here where the metal internal pipe meets that first tread line. I'm on the straight line, you can see that. Just going to go ahead and click out to here. I prefer to use this circle, the point on arc mode, for all of my arcs. And then you can do as many little lines as you like right along your reference lines. Once I go back to the point where I'm at my straight line, I want to toggle back to the corner vertex mode, which is just a straight line. Click. I'm going to kind of zoom in because now I have to do another little arc along my pipe. So if this is giving you trouble, you could turn off your snap to angle snap. But when it says endpoint, you want to make sure you're right on that endpoint so that you're closing your polyline. Okay, so right there, look at that, I didn't do it correctly. I'm just going to delete and start over. Okay, now that we have that sort of divided correctly, I am going to go ahead and just delete these reference points so that you can see what is happening with my stair tread. So I'm going to go ahead and select it, and I need to extrude. I'm going to extrude it 2 inches because that's about what the thickness would be of my metal stair tread. And then I'm going to go to a front view, and I need to raise this up so that it's the height of the tread. So this is one situation where we sort of we have to let go of our 18-inch rule, and that is the height of the rise plus run equals 18 inches. Because as we're spiraling around and walking up this staircase, we have to have enough headroom above us that we're not smacking our head on the stairs. So I'm going to go ahead and move this up 10 inches, which is going to give us a total rise of 12 inches. I'm going to go back to top view, and basically I'm going to use something that we haven't used in class yet, and it's called the duplicate array. So go ahead and go to edit. This is one of the earlier tools that was designed in Vectorworks, and I'm going to go ahead and do a duplicate array. So we're going to make 12 stairs in our duplicate. The angle between the duplicates is 45 degrees. So if you remember when we drew out all of our guidelines first, we were doing them 45 degrees apart. The Z offset, so the Z offset is up from the floor. We're going to go up 1 foot, 0 inches. The circular point that we want to duplicate around, we want to just do it at the next mouse click. We're going to make sure that this check mark of rotate duplicates is on, because it's going to rotate it around that center pipe. And then our custom angle is going to be 45 degrees. And then we do want to retain that original object. So once you get all of these sort of set up, we can just press OK. Now I have to place my stairs where I want to. If I place it in the center, these are all just going to be right on top of each other, sort of spiraled. So I want to place that right in the center of that pipe, just right there. And then you can see it kind of drew basically our original drawing and reference lines. And then when we fly around it, you can see that those stairs are all going around a central point. So what we need to do now is we need to go ahead and extrude our pipe. We have that circle, so we're just going to extrude that up. We're going to go up 16 feet. And now you can see those stairs are going around that central point. I do want us to do one more little thing. We're going to go ahead and put a little railing on the outside of our pipe. So we're just going to create a circle. I'd like that radius to be 0.5 inches. So a little 1-inch pipe. I'm just going to place it on the corner here. I'm going to extrude that. So our Equity Actors Union is saying now that all railings have to be 39 inches in order to pass that safety check. So then when I go to a front view, we need to raise that up so that it sits on top of the stair. So Command M, we're going to go up 12 inches. Okay. Go back to a top view. I think this time what I'd like to do is do 2 safety rails. So I'm just going to literally duplicate, Command D, and then I can just drag this to the other corner. I want to select both of them. And then again, I'm going to go up to Edit, Duplicate Array. This should all be set up already. So again, it's the next mouse click. Press OK. I'm going to go to the center of my pipe. And then in a front view. Okay, so now we have all of these safety rails, and we would just need to connect them together as it goes up. For this project, we're not going to do that. This is where we're going to land. Alrighty, have a good day.